This is Marley with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the Sea Ray 230 SPX. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 200 horsepower Verado. The nice thing about having an outboard on this boat is all the storage you gain here underneath this sun lounger. You have the designated table storage for the two tables that insert in the cockpit and in the bow. This boat is also equipped with the stone gray interior upholstery. A big ski locker here to put your water toys, wakeboards, or ski. And you have a nice sports tower with a ski pylon on top. This boat also is equipped with a port side head. And the Fusion audio control system is located here on the helm with the speakers throughout the boat. We've also optioned this with a Simrad display on the helm as well. Then moving to the bow, we still have more speakers in the front, along with some stainless steel grab handles that are throughout the boat, another table insert, and storage under both the port and starboard bow loungers. If you're interested in this boat, please give us a call. My name's Marley. Call me at 407-446-5990.